Choosing the right mini table saw can be challenging. Weak motors, unstable bases, limited cutting depth, and poor blade control often ruin DIY projects. That's where mini table saws truly stand out. They offer precision cutting, compact size, and enough power for detailed woodworking, acrylic, PCB, and light metal tasks. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best mini table saws. Compact, reliable, and perfect for hobbyists and small workshops. We researched specs and user feedback to build this list. Links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 5. HERCTOOLS Mini Table Saw. The HERCTOOLS Mini Table Saw supports 110 to 220 volts and features a liftable blade with adjustable cutting height up to 15 centimeters. The adjustable cutting angle allows precise bevel cuts for DIY crafts, woodworking, metal, and plastic projects. Its compact design makes it suitable for small workspaces while still delivering stable performance. The sturdy base reduces vibration during operation, improving accuracy. Ideal for hobbyists who need flexible cutting control in a small, affordable machine. Number 4. Tool One Shoe 200-watt Mini Table Saw. The Tool One Shoe 200-watt cutting tool machine is a multifunctional mini table saw designed for precision work. Its 200-watt motor provides steady cutting performance for wood, plastic, and light materials. The compact bench-style design fits easily on small tables, making it perfect for home workshops. It offers accurate straight cuts and controlled operation for craft projects and small builds. If you need a budget-friendly mini cutting bench for everyday DIY tasks, this model delivers solid value. Number 3. ALLSOME 480W BG3115 Mini Table Saw. The ALLSOME BG3115 Mini Table Saw is powered by a strong 480-watt motor, offering higher cutting strength compared to many compact models. Designed for handmade woodworking projects, it handles wood boards and similar materials with improved stability. The solid metal body enhances durability, while the precise guide system helps maintain straight and accurate cuts. Ideal for small furniture pieces, crafts, and workshop tasks, this model balances power and compact convenience. Number 2. Toorise 7-Speed Mini Table Saw. The Toorise Mini Electric Table Saw features 7 adjustable speed levels, allowing better control when cutting PCB boards, acrylic sheets, wood, and other small materials. Its compact household design makes it suitable for DIY users who need versatility in a small machine. Speed adjustment improves precision and safety for delicate materials. The stable base reduces vibration, while the compact bench design saves space. A great option for hobby electronics, crafts, and light woodworking projects. Number 1. CNCEST 96W Portable Mini Table Saw. The CNCEST 96W Mini Table Saw is a compact and portable tabletop cutting machine powered by a pure copper motor for smooth and reliable operation. Its 4-inch blade is ideal for cutting small materials with precision and control. Designed for light-duty tasks, it works well for crafts, thin wood pieces, and hobby projects. The manual chop-style structure ensures stable cutting performance. If you need a lightweight, easy-to-use mini saw for detailed work, this model is a practical choice. Mini table saws are perfect for detailed DIY projects, crafts, and small workshop tasks. These 5 models offer different power levels, adjustable speeds, and compact designs to fit various needs. Whether you need precision for electronics, woodworking, or light materials, there's an option here for you. Which one fits your workshop best? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.